Just go to your movie site and then open a new tab and then search for the subtitle and click the first result. We can now click the Get Chrome extension button and then click Add to Opera button, or depends on the browser that you're using. Click Add Extension and we'll wait while it loads up. And there you go, it is successfully added on the extensions list. Go back again to your movie site and then click the extensions button and then pin the subtitle extension. Click it again and then load the file that you want to watch. So in here, we can search for the subtitle that we're watching. I'm watching Transformers. But as you can see here, it is not listed on the subtitles that we want to choose from. So we need to manually upload our own subtitle file. But before that, we need to download the subtitle file in this website and just choose the file or the language that we want to use. I have already pre-downloaded it and we'll just load it now. So in here, as you can see, we will just add it and there you go. It has already added the subtitle on the movie we're watching. So to play with the settings, just click the subtitle button and then change the color, the background color, or the font size, depending on the settings that you want to choose from. You can also add synchronization. You can make it faster, slower, or depends on the timing of the subtitle. So that's it. That's how we can add a subtitle on any movie that we want to watch. Thank you for watching.